Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, vocabulary, facepalm. Have you heard this word facepalm? In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning of the word facepalm and how can you use this word in your sentence. Let's get into the lesson. Facepalm. You will also see it spelled as two words, face and palm. Is a new word that describes the act of covering your face with your hand when you are in difficult or uncomfortable situations. It's a pretty natural thing to do when we are feeling embarrassed, frustrated, or very disappointed. So, facepalm means the act of covering your face with your hand because you are embarrassed, annoyed, or disappointed about something. Look at this example sentence. He had to facepalm when his boss pointed out typos in his report after he had checked it 3 times. Example number 2. She always does a facepalm when her mother starts asking her about boys. So, the word facepalm means act of covering your face with your hand when you are embarrassed, annoyed, or disappointed about something. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.